Matt Levine's The Crypto Story is a deep dive into the world of cryptocurrency, focusing on the technology, its economic and social impact, and the various challenges it faces. One of the core themes Levine highlights is how cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin, isn't just about the underlying technology, but about social acceptance. The fact that millions of people agree to treat these digital tokens as valuable is what gives them worth, not just their code. Levine also compares the rise of crypto to earlier financial innovations, saying Bitcoin's most impressive achievement is how it convinced people to accept numbers on a blockchain as real money. He discusses how Bitcoin's mining system, which uses a lot of energy, secures the network by incentivizing participants to maintain its value. However, new cryptocurrencies like Ethereum are shifting to less energy-intensive methods like proof of stake. He critiques the volatility and speculative nature of the space, calling out the cycles of boom and bust that have defined crypto's history. Levine also notes the proliferation of shitcoins, tokens created with little innovation that still manage to attract buyers. If you're curious about the economic mechanisms and social forces that drive the value of cryptocurrency, Levine's essay is an in-depth, engaging take on these dynamics.